Last year, I decided it was time to get a Japanese driver's license. My old license had expired, and the rules here meant I couldn't transfer it directly. A driving school was the fastest and most straightforward option. I had driven in Japan years ago when I was much younger, but my skills had gone unused for a long time. And Japan's road rules have their own particular logic. I found a school that offered English instruction, which made a real difference. Understanding the nuances of Japanese driving rules in your second language is not easy. The school impressed me with how organized everything was. Each course had a clear structure, and the instructors knew exactly what they were doing. It was nothing like the informal process I remembered from Hawaii. Because I could attend classes during the day, I finished in about a month. Most students take longer, working around school or jobs. I passed all of the school's courses and then headed to the police department for the official written test. I passed that too and walked out with my new license. But earning the license was only part of it. There was one more requirement waiting for me. In Japan, newly licensed drivers must display a Wakaba mark, a small green and yellow leaf sticker on both the front and back of their car for 1 full year. I had been driving for more than 40 years. The idea of wearing a beginner sticker at my age felt a little strange, but the rules applied to me the same as anyone else. The first few weeks were the hardest. Stopped at a red light, I noticed other drivers glancing at my car. I knew what they were looking at. Over time, I stopped noticing the sticker. The driving became routine again, and the mark just became part of the car, at least for a while. A year passed. The morning I could finally remove it, I peeled off the Wakaba mark carefully and held it in my hand for a moment. It was a small moment, but I felt quietly satisfied. Now the Wakaba mark hangs on my front door, a reminder of the whole experience, a small prompt to drive carefully every time I leave the house.